Hey my peeps, let's make some cute, easy chick marshmallow pops. So you're gonna roll out your clay as I'm doing here, and basically you just roll it and pat it, roll it and pat it until you form a marshmallow, right? I like to let mine dry overnight, and if you decide to dry it overnight, you're gonna need to puncture it with a tool. And then you're going to get your popsicle stick and just going to put a dab of glue at the end and stick it through your marshmallow. Now I'm getting ready to make the little chick's wings. So I'm just going to roll out a piece of clay and split it in half because I want to try to get like even sized wings. Roll it into a teardrop. You put it on one side and then you put the other teardrop on the other side. So I'm going to use a toothpick to texture the wings to look like feathers or feathery, if that's a word, just to give it some little texture on the wings. Now I'm going to get me some orange clay and I'm going to make his beak. So just roll it into a teardrop. And try not to make it too big because I had too much clay, so I had to take off some of the clay. You want it to be proportionate. Then I took my clay blade and I just put it across to make the little beak. And now I'm going to make the duck feet. Again, you're just going to make you some teardrop, some small teardrop shaped clay. And you're going to put it on each side. And then I took my toothpick and I just made 2 lines in it to make the duck feet. So this project is pretty easy and pretty fast. As you can see, we're almost already done. So he got his little duck feet. And then I'm going to make some hair or feathers to go on top of his little marshmallow head. So I took 3 tiny pieces of clay, rolled them into teardrop shapes again. And then I'm going to put those 3 teardrop shapes together to form like a little bit of hair or feathers on the front. So since this clay was dry, I needed to add a little tiny bit of tacky glue to hold in those little pieces of clay. And then I got my black apple barrel acrylic paint and a dotting tool, and I just put on some eyes. That's the easiest way I find to get decent eyes, and I've been doing it like that for a long time. So I got me a tiny ribbon. I bought a pack of tiny ribbons from Temu. I don't really even remember how many ribbons come there, like 200 little tiny ribbons. And then I'm going to put a little carrot sprinkle in the middle of the bow. And there you go, guys. That was pretty simple and easy. And there go your chick marshmallow pops to add to the collection of all the other good stuff we done made. So go make you some. Talk to you later. Bye.